You ever take your C8 to get an oil change and then you have the tech tell you, hey, you should change out your cabin air filter, and then you say, okay, sure, and then they charge you an arm and a leg for something that takes you only 5 seconds to do. So that's what we're going to show you how to do today, changing the cabin air filter on your C8 Corvette. So let's get started. So alrighty guys, so the first thing you need to do is to get into your front area. So your cabin air filter is going to be located under this trim panel right here. So you have to remove these 3 pieces that are right here, which are really easy to do. Literally, you're just going to take your fingers here, pop this outward. There's 3 little tabs right here, 1, 2, 3, that you need to take out, and you need to do it for both sides before you can take out the center piece. So do that for the left side, then do that for the right side. So left side taken out, and then you can take out the center piece, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs if I remember correctly. So you just got to lift them up from the corners like so. And I like to go from the edges first and then get that last little piece right there, which should like go. There we go. And then you can remove this out of the way for the second. Now the air cabin filter is located right here. So all you have to do is just move these 2 tabs here, and then all you got to do is just then push it up, or it should come, or actually you're supposed to slide it out, sorry. And then that's out of the way, and you can now see the actual cabin filter. It's super, like I said, super easy to get to. Then you just need to take this out, and you want to keep in mind which direction the airflow is. So the airflow direction is downward on this. And looking at the air filter, I mean, it's pretty dirty on my C8. My C8 has about 40,000 miles on it, so it's about time to change out this air filter. So we're gonna just toss that out of the way. Now the new air filter that I got it off of Amazon. It's actually a pretty nice one. It actually has, let me see, it has carbon, like these carbon little bearings in there along with the actual air filter. So it is, you know, helps protect allergens, pollutants, exhaust fumes, all that. Extends your life by 5 years. Not really, but in any case though, this should be pretty easy to install and put on the C8. It's just gonna slide into place just like the other one. And so I'll also have links in the description below if you want to buy this. Since it is from Amazon, it's very easy to get. So without further ado, you do want to probably get it where this tab is just to make it easier to collect from there. So just gonna slide it into place. You might have to kind of work it in there just because the trim on the other side is a little in the way. Not by much, but it is there. And it's got, you know, have the tab right here, so it's nice to easily pull that back if you ever need to change it. So then you just basically need to go in reverse order to get this installed. So sliding it sideways to get it on the rails, and then pop it into place. And then all you got to do is just put the trim back on in reverse order. So starting with the big piece, making sure to align all the different holes correctly, and you want this part right here in particular to be over this main centerpiece, not under. And then just kind of pop all the different spots into place. Don't force it down if it doesn't want to. You need to make sure it's all aligned. And then do your edge pieces. Let's see. Yep, do your edge pieces right here. Making sure that your gaps, making sure that the trim is going behind the different sections and it all lines up. This should go in pretty easily. Just a little bit of a tap to just get it, slide it back into place. And then do it for the other side real quick. And there you go. That's changing out your cabin air filter. So like you guys saw, really easy to install a brand new cabin air filter for your C8 Corvette, and you save a little bit of money than what the dealership would have charged you to do it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time.